Hello. I'm thrilled to guide you through the intricas of the while loop in Python, a true workhorse for repetitive tasks. Imagine a while loop as a tirelessly busy bee in the garden of code, buzzing to repeat its activities under certain conditions. A while loop starts with the keyword while followed by an expression that evaluates to true or false. As long as the expression is true, the code beneath it keeps executing. Think of the condition as your bee needing to find fresh pollen to keep the garden thriving. If the condition is false, the loop stops, and the bee takes a well-deserved rest. Python coffee_ready is equal to false while not coffee_ready, stir coffee_temperature is equal to check_temperature if coffee_temperature safe_temperature, take_a_break coffee_ready is equal to check_string in life as in coding, context matters. In many cases, it's essential to ensure your while loop has an end condition to prevent an endless buzz, which, in computer terms, would lead to what we call an infinite loop, a perpetually busy bee without rest, never stopping unless programmed medically or by a break condition. When to use a while loop? Whenever a project can be better done with repetition until something changes, like an election poll counting votes until every vote is counted, or when you are building a timetable where certain activities recur until an end time. Another nifty trick with while loops is nesting. You can place a while loop inside another, like sub-bees working on their tasks. However, while doing this, I must advise caution. Just as a hive overworks, it can get congested and lead to conflicts. Now, the syntax, though seemingly straightforward, while expression indentation is vital in Python, so don't forget those tabs and spaces as your code's structure and readability depend on them. Like a flowerbed's look on a sunny day, indentation is the style of your flow control in Python. Python numbers is equal to accumulator is equal to 0 while numbers, accumulator plus is equal to next print, and here, we make sure our diligent bees get a pause button. Python counter is equal to 0 while counter 5, print counter plus is equal to 1 if counter is equal to 3, print break to wrap up. Always remember to keep your while loop healthy. It needs a clear end condition, just as our busy little bee needs rest to keep coming back to work the next day. Now head over to Neeraj's domain at href is equal to https://neeraj.qzz.io, neeraj.qzz.io for more insights into programming. Don't forget to subscribe to TechLab for updates on our coding journey for all freshers aiming to bloom in the technological garden.